How's it going, everyone? Mike here. Let's spend a few minutes talking about these rejections. So yesterday I was uploading a bunch of designs and got this email, but didn't actually just get. Let me actually get out of this off this screen. Didn't just get one, but look at them, uh, which pushed me to exactly 500 rejections in total, and that's a little scary because I'm assuming there's got to be some kind of a system where Amazon actually tracks rejections, and there has to be some kind of a internal rating system of accounts because if you actually do push it and abuse it, and if you get repeated emails breaking the rules, they will suspend your account. They might even shut it down. Rejections are not a big issue. I've never actually had any problems with the account at all ever. But just thinking about the number in itself, 500 rejections in total, and I understand being at a tier 20,000, probably not. I don't know if it's bad or not. We don't have that information from Amazon. But anyways, I just wanted to share this with you guys. And here's the word, and here's where the confusion actually came in because I'm very careful with this kind of stuff. And so two things about this were interesting to me. Number one, the word is neon. So my advice to you is do not use the word neon in your description. The designs that I had were neon fluorescent colors, and I used that in the title and the description points, and the reason that the design was rejected, as you can see here, and it says it appears to violate the policy, and the reason, inaccurate design description. Fair enough, because I've been in situations before where if you use, for example, gold, but don't combine it with a word that would say something like gold color or something like that, your designs will get rejected. Now, the reason I'm actually recording this video is because, and let's go back to that original screen that I got. Now, where are we? I think it's this. There we go. So in the last what are we looking at here? I just want to make sure that I have the timeline correct. The last 90 days, 37 sales of the item where the first word of the description is neon. And that's where my confusion came in, because I've used the word numerous times. One of the best-selling products, the first word is neon. And then to get so many rejections. So again, I don't know if the policy, for example, has changed since I uploaded the design that I just mentioned, and Amazon just didn't catch it, or it's something else. In either case, do not use the word neon, and I'm assuming fluorescent or anything like that. I believe that the wording, if it can be used for another product and another product type, for example, where it actually means something more than the neon color of your text or your design, then those designs will get rejected. Just like I mentioned, and I know this for sure, that if you simply say gold, it could be a gold color, gold pattern, like you have to use yellow gold something, because on Amazon people will be selling gold rings, gold bracelets, and I believe that Amazon just doesn't want that confusion, and it could be as they've described it here, inaccurate design description. So for me, it's not a big deal. What I'm gonna do is just basically go through my designs, remove the word neon, and see where else they are, because I know they're definitely in the title and at least one of the description points. So there are two places where I would have to change this word, and I believe that for each design I was putting it up to all the t-shirts, all the marketplaces, and possibly cell phone cases, which means that once I change one of the descriptions, it will get rid of it will take care of, for example, let's go here. It will take care of at least 7 of these products. So, for example, one edit to the description and the description point, sorry, title and the description point will fix 7 of these products. So that's why I'm not so concerned. But again, getting these types of emails, and if you really think about it, it's not a huge number of designs, but it's a huge number of products. So that's it. Be very careful with the words that you're using. If you feel like there might be a kind of like a fine line between an accurate title and then being easy to misinterpret and make a mistake where they can actually label it as inaccurate design description, just watch out and definitely do not use the word neon. Thanks for watching, guys. Let me know if you've had similar problems, if you have any questions, and I'll see you soon.